Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video, I am doing a cook dinner and clean with me. It is the ultimate lazy mom meal. I'm using my crock pot, thank God. So it is 8:15 in the morning. Can I say hi? Yeah. So, it is 8:15 in the morning. I have to drop this little girl off at daycare. Dinner will be ready around noon. For anybody new here, my husband works weird hours and we normally have like he eats dinner at like noon, so I just kind of adjust my schedule to do that. Like I said, I'm working from home today, so I have a lot of flexibility. So the pork chops are already in. I'm gonna let that footage play. I'll probably just eat like while I'm working. I'll show you like what I'm gonna, I'll show you what I'm gonna make with the crock pot, but I'll probably, or with the pork chops, but I'll probably just eat while I'm working. And yeah, and then I'll pop on after and show you me cleaning up this hot mess of a kitchen. So yeah, so that's what today's video is. I hope you are not a lazy mom like me, but I still hope you enjoy this video. So I love you guys and I will see you next time. Say bye!
So this recipe calls for 1 pound of pork chops. I use 2 pounds. Definitely don't need to use that much, but hey, I'm a rebel. And you can use boneless or bone-in pork chops. I used boneless. You're also going to need nonstick spray, a packet of the ranch dressing mix, and cream of chicken. So all I did here is I just cut up the pork chops, just, I don't know, for like portion control and just make it easier for leftovers. You don't have to do that. And then I'm going to mix the cream of chicken and the ranch packet. You can add more water into it, just like fill up the can of the cream of chicken. I, in retrospect, wish I didn't do that at all. I did like a half a can, and honestly, I wish I didn't do any water. It kind of came out a little bit watery, like the gravy or the sauce or whatever, and I was hoping it would more be like a gravy and not so watery. So in retrospect, I wouldn't add any water, even though the recipe says to do that. So I'm just mixing that together. I'm going to spray my crock pot with a nonstick spray. I'm going to pour a little bit of the soup in the bottom of the crock pot. Then I'm going to layer my pork chops, and then I'm going to pour the remainder of the sauce over the pork chops. I'm going to turn it on low for 4 hours. Look at that crock pot. That crock pot was my mom's, and I'm pretty sure it's older than me, and I absolutely love it. So I went back and I turned it off after 4 hours, thinking that the gravy or the sauce would thicken, and it really didn't. So I guess I didn't really need to do that in retrospect. And about 45 minutes later, I started my rice. I'm just making like plain old jasmine rice on the stovetop. Very simple, and I just served it with a bag of frozen vegetables. Like I said, this is ultimate lazy mom, like at its best. Like ultimate lazy working mom. Like I was working in between doing all this, so this dinner honestly took me like 10 minutes to make, like altogether. So I love it. Chris liked it. Yeah, Evelyn tried it. She liked it too. So that's it, guys. That's what my kitchen looked like after. I'm going to fly through this kitchen, give you guys just a little bit of cleaning motivation. But that's it for the video. I know it was super short. I know the meal was just like pitiful, but I just wanted to just throw this out there. If you guys are stuck, you literally have no time, this will take you literally 10 minutes to make dinner. So I'm all about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so glad that you guys are enjoying my fall cleaning series on my channel. If you are not aware, there is a new series going on my channel where I am deep cleaning my entire house. I will have the playlist linked in the description box. So yeah, so I'm gonna let some music play. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.
Made a map with all the stars, so you know you're not too far away from me. You're in light when it's my dark. I know this distance makes it hard for us to see. I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you. I see a map up in the stars. Now I know I'm not too far away from you. I want you back inside my arms. This distance got me feeling so alone, it's true.